this privileges and escalation. Privileges means certain permissions of user on certain files and folders. So if I'm working in a company as a normal employee, I have some certain privileges. I can access to some files and folders, but I don't have access to every files and folders that administrator have. That means there are some secret files or like important files that need to be secured from normal employee. And what these administrator does is they will assign certain permissions for a user of certain files and folders. So beyond that, I cannot access any other files and folders. And this escalating those permissions to root or administrator is called privilege escalation. So I am an employee, and if I want to become a root or administrator, I find some misconfiguration in services or some other binaries, and then I will leverage those permissions, leverage those services, and gain the root or administrator user. So escalating the permissions from normal user to administrator user or root user is called privilege escalation. So with the root user access, I can do whatever I want to do, and I can have access to every files and folders on the system or on the network. So let's talk about